Hi guys, welcome back to CS Technology. Today in this class, guys, we are going to discuss a use effect, guys. Okay, so what is a use effect? Completely, guys, we are going to discuss of that, guys. So basically, guys, use effect is a hook, guys. It allows you to perform the side effects of your component, guys. And there are some example, guys. So we can see that for fetching the data, so directly updating the DOM, and directly, guys, where we can change the state variable and all. So by using use effect, we are going to do that, guys. Okay. So for using a use effect, guys, simply, guys, just we need to type the use effect here. See, guys. So once I enter use effect, so automatically it is imported here. So here, guys, we can just create arrow function. So inside the arrow function, we can write anything, guys. Okay. So we can see that. So that's it, guys. This is a use effect, guys, we have created now. So as of now, just I will be taking console, guys. Console dot. Just I will write use effect. So simple, guys. I have just written use effect. We'll see that. See, guys, we got the output, guys, right? Now, guys, so I will be creating a button for that, guys. One okay, simple normal button I will create here. Give name button. See, the button I have created. See, guys, I am pressing the button, so nothing was affecting, guys. Now side effect is not working, right? Only so we can see that once we refresh the page, we got the use effect. Now after pressing this button, so nothing is working, guys, right? So now, guys, I will be using use state as well, guys, here. Okay, so we can see that you can take anything, guys. Count use state already we have discussed it, right? Last class, I hope. Use state. So already it's imported here. And initially, guys, the value is 0, guys. Okay. So quickly just will set this. In button, guys, I will be binding that. Okay. On click. So we'll take arrow function, guys, here. Set count. So you can type count plus 1, guys. So once I enter on that button, so that it will increase the number, guys. Okay. So here you can just type the count, guys, for displaying. See, guys. So that's it, guys. I have taken. Now we'll see that, guys. See, guys. Initially the value is 0, and is effect we can just remove this. See, guys, initial value is 0. So because there is no connection between use effect and button, guys, right? So previously we have just checked that after clicking the button, so there was no connection between use effect and a button, and there is no connection between use state and use effect as well, right? So but, guys, as I enter this button, see, guys, automatically use effect also called here. So this is what, guys, side effect, guys. See, guys, each time, guys, so use state also performing as well as use effect also performing here, guys. So this is how, guys, use effect work, guys. So if we have a, we can take one more example, guys. We can take one more use state here, so that we'll see the difference, guys. You can change the number. You can just take one. This one you can just one. So you can just mention 10, guys, initially value. Okay, so we'll create one more button for that. One, just set control, so one, guys. Okay, for this also, for display, we'll create one more, guys, here. See, guys, so just I have created one more use state, so you can see that. So just see, guys, we have two buttons here. So one is the first one, guys. If I click first one, see, guys, use state as also working, as well as use effect also working, guys, here, right? And second button, guys, if I click, see, guys, as well as use second state also working and use effect also working. So this is how, guys, use effect will work, guys. For example, in your mobile, guys, if you are listening video, and if you want to play any game, guys, you can play that. And if you have one more any app, any calculator, if you want to use, you can use that, guys. So this is how use effect will work, guys. If you're using use state also guys, you can perform use state as well along with use effect guys. Now guys, in future guys, we will be having 10 use state guys, but we don't want to perform along with the use effect. So in that case guys, what we need to do, so if you want to remove that guys, so you can just this comma guys and square bracket. So inside that guys, which use state do you want to work, only that name you need to pass here guys. Now I need to work only first one count, so that I have passed a count guys. Now we'll say that guys, count one will be not working for use effect guys. You can see that. Just remove that guys. For first one guys, see guys, it's working fine. Use effect as well working and number also increasing. If I click on button 2 guys, it will not work guys. Use effect will not work. See guys, only use state is working. You can see that. See guys, use effect is not working. So this is how guys we are going to apply manually guys. So if you want to work on that as well, you can just give comma guys and count and one guys. So if you can take one more use state here, see guys, I have created one more, and button also I will create one more. So if you have a 10 use state guys, so in that case, so you can manually, you can just mention that guys. You can will to take this one to this one also, you just make it to, and here also we will make 2, and count also will make it 2. Just make it 2 guys. See guys, now I have mentioned count and count 1, right? So for both, use effect is working, but count 3 guys, it will be not working. You can see that. See guys, use effect is working. For this one also, use effect is working. You can see that. For button 3 guys, so it will be not working guys. So this is guys, in case if you have a more than 10 20 use state, you can only mention that guys, whichever we want to perform, you can mention that. So this is a complete use effect guys, how we are working guys. Okay, and fetching the data guys, for while we fetching the data, so I will be discussing with that guys. Okay, this is directly updating the DOM and how side effect will work. So in this class we have discussed guys, this is complete use effect guys. Okay, for next class guys, we are going to discuss for next two, like we have a use ref and use memo, use contents. So we are going to discuss that guys. So that's all guys today class. If you like my channel, kindly subscribe and follow my all video guys. Thank you, thanks for watching.